The Dark Knight Rises full game. First, open your Chrome and type mobogene.com and click the Mobogene. Then search the games you may like The Dark Knight Rises. Oh, Lord. Yeah, it's free and easy to download. Yeah, and stay tuned and subscribe.